I am Monica Christine and I live in 79 Paris Street, Parang Marikina City. I am truly hoping that I could be given an opportunity to be part of this scholarship program. Connected to a Christian church makes this opportunity even more meaningful to me, as it will not only support my academic journey but also help me grow spiritually and strengthen my relationship with God. Scholarship would be a great help for my school expenses and emergencies. Growing up, I don't have privilege to afford my school expenses. My mother is currently unemployed and my father is working at ride service apps. However, his income is still not enough to support our family needs, especially with my two younger siblings who are still in grade school. Sa opportunity na ito, makakatulong ito upang may pagpatuloy ko ang aking pag-aaral at matulungan ko rin ang dalawang nakabata kong kapatid. Being offered a scholarship like this is truly a blessing, hindi lang sa pinansyal na tulong, kundi ang pagiging parte ng isang komunidad na nagpapahalaga ng pananampalataya, edukasyon at paglilingkod. Mas po akong nagpapasalamat at magiging tapat kung ako man ay mapili. Marami pong salamat sa pagbibigay ng oras upang isalang-alang aking aplikasyon na may patuloy pa po kayong pagpalain ng Diyos.